Vanessa Simone, back with another video. I'm going to be talking about 2 different dress styles that you can wear for date night when you go out with your boo, your new bae, when you're booed up. They're 2 of my favorite dresses that I have in my closet, and I just want to share it with you. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be right back. So these 2 dresses are my favorite. I got them from Forever 21.
Right.
This is a off-the-shoulder dress. I paid about $12 for it. This is a nice bodycon dress. I paid $9 for it from H&M. And this is actually like my favorite. It's very sexy, very form-fitting, beautiful.
Right. So are you going to put these dresses on?
I am.
Alright.
Can't wait to put them on and get sexy.
Alright.
Bam! This is perfect for date night. How do I look?
You look good. I like that.
I love it. It's off the shoulder, it's form-fitting, it's slim, hides whatever, you know,
Yeah.
imperfections I have.
Right.
You know, but it also
Your curves.
fits on my curves.
Right. Yeah.
Hey, this is look number 2. This is the nice black bodycon dress. Has little thicker than a spaghetti strap, but I like it. It's nice and comfortable. I threw this over it because, you know, sometimes you'd be going out on dates with boo. It'd be cold. Gotta have a little cover up.
Right.
You know, but still show your curves.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
This is
good.
my favorite.
Alright.
It's good.
Alright. That's good.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll keep delivering some bomb-ass content to you. You know, it's just a little hard. I'm going to try to release a video like once a week, but I'm out here in these streets shopping for y'all. Don't forget to let me know how you like the dresses, the 2 dresses that I put on that were Forever 21 dresses. Please like and comment and subscribe and let me know. Goodbye.